Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting lesson in store for you. We are going to learn the names of various vehicles in Hindi, all while using English as our guide. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with some common vehicles. First up, we have the tractor, which is tractor in Hindi. Can you repeat after me? Tractor. Fantastic. I will repeat this. Tractor. Tractor. Now, let's move to the ship, which is jahaj in Hindi. Give it a try. Jahaj. Excellent. I will repeat this. Ship. Jahaj. Ship. Jahaj. Now, let's move to the airplane, which is viman in Hindi. Give it a try. Viman. Excellent. I will repeat this. Aeroplane. Viman. Aeroplane. Viman. Now, let's move to the helicopter, which is helicopter in Hindi. Give it a try. Helicopter. Excellent. I will repeat this. Helicopter. 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 Now, let's move to the boat, which is nav in Hindi. Give it a try. Nav. Excellent. I will repeat this. Boat. Nav. Boat. Nav. Now, let's move to the ambulance, which is rogi vahan in Hindi. Give it a try. Rogi vahan. Excellent. I will repeat this. Ambulance. Rogi vahan. Ambulance. Rogi vahan. Now, let's move to the bullock cart, which is bailgadi in Hindi. Give it a try. Bailgadi. Excellent. I will repeat this. Bullock cart. Bailgadi. Bullock cart. Bailgadi. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. Tractor, tractor. Ship, jahaj. Aeroplane, viman. Helicopter, helicopter. Boat, nav. Ambulance, rogi vahan. Bullock cart, bailgadi. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging language lessons. Also, let us know in the comments below if you'd like to learn more about different topics in Hindi. Dhanyavad.